Hi children, good morning all. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter 3, coordinate geometry. Okay. Children, you have already studied about how to locate a point on the number line. In this chapter, we are going to study about how to describe the position of that point on the number line. See children, have you any idea of this? This is a classroom or an auditorium, anything. The seating arrangement is like this, 1, 2, 1. This is column and it is a row. This is column and it is a row. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 column and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 rows are here. Now you are sitting here. Okay. If you are sitting in this fourth column, if you are sitting in this fourth column and the second row, if you are sitting in this fourth column and the second row, how to describe your position? Have you any idea? How can we write your position? That is, we write the column first and then the row second. Now you are sitting in this fourth column, that is 4, now the second row. We write the fourth column first and the row second. We can write like this. Suppose Dan is sitting in the fifth column and first row. Fifth column here and the first row is here. Dan is sitting here. How can we write the Dan's position? How can we write? Okay, that is 5 first and the row, that is first row, that is second. We can write the Dan's position as 5, 1. Okay, understood. Now is Anvia. Anvia is sitting in the second column and the fourth row. That is, here the second column and the fourth row is this. Okay, that is Anvia is sitting here. Okay, so we can how to write Anya's position, that is 2 second column. So we write the second first and the row, that is row is 4. So we can write as 2, 4. Understood? From this we can observe that the position of a point in a plane, we can observe that the position of a point in a plane we can describe by using two perpendicular lines. Okay. These consequences has given rise to an important branch of mathematics, that is coordinate geometry. In this chapter, you have to study the basic concepts of that coordinate geometry, and you have studied more about this coordinate geometry in the higher classes. Okay, and initially is developed by the French philosopher. This study is initially developed by this coordinate geometry is the French philosopher or mathematician René Descartes. And the picture of the photo of that mathematician you can see in your textbook. Okay, he describes firstly he describes how to locate, how to describe the position or a position of an object or a point in a plane. Okay, in the first chapter we studied about the number lines. Here I draw a number line. Here 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here -1, -2, -3 and so on. The name of this number line is x dash and x. X dash and x. X dash x. Okay. When we rotate this number line, it's a horizontal number line. Okay. When we rotate this number line into 90 degree, we get the number line like this. We get the number line like this. Here 0 and it is 1, 2, 3 and so on. Here we get -1, -2, -3 and so on. And this number line y, y dash, y, y dash. This number line is named as x dash, x, and this y, y dash. When we combine the two number lines, that is x dash x and y dash y, when we combine the two number lines, we get the number line like this. That is x dash x and y dash y. Here O. See, in this x dash x is known as x axis. This y dash y is known as y axis. This is known as x axis and it is known as y axis. And the point from which the numbers are marked, the point from which the numbers are marked, it is known as origin. It is known as origin. Okay, and it is represented by O. Okay, now this you can see that there are four parts. You can see that there are four parts. Here it is divided into, this plane is divided into four. This plane is divided into four parts. That is, this is first, it is second, it is third, and it is fourth. This plane surface is divided into four parts. Each part is known as quadrant. Each part is known as quadrant. Each part is known as quadrant. This is first quadrant, it is second quadrant, this is third quadrant, and it is fourth quadrant. Okay, in first quadrant, the numbers are all numbers are positive. We can write this x and it is y. So these numbers are positive numbers. Plus, plus. Okay, we can write the numbers x comma y. First is x and then y. So this is plus, plus, positive numbers. In the second quadrant, x-axis the numbers are negative and y-axis the numbers are positive. So in the second quadrant, the numbers are minus, plus. Okay. In the third quadrant, the x-axis is minus and the y-axis is also minus. So the numbers are in minus, minus. In the fourth quadrant, the numbers are, here x-axis is plus and here y-axis is minus. So the numbers are in the form plus and the minus. Okay, this quadrant and this axis both together is known as, this full is known as Cartesian system. Okay, Cartesian system. See children, in the plane, coordinates are arranged in the form of, in the plane the numbers are arranged in the form of coordinates. That means this is like this, x, y. First we write x coordinate, then we write y coordinates. The plane the numbers are arranged here. Here I take a number. I mark a number, mark a point, and this it is 1 comma, this 1 comma 1. In the plane the coordinates are arranged in this. It is y order, x, y, like this. Okay. The first we write x coordinate, then we write y coordinate. Okay, then this x coordinate is known as abscissa. Abscissa. This x coordinate is known as abscissa. What is abscissa? And the y coordinate is known as ordinate. Ordinate. This x coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate. X coordinate is abscissa and the y coordinate is ordinate. And this plane, this full plane is known as Cartesian plane. Cartesian, for the respect of that Rene Descartes, that philosopher and the mathematician. For the respect of we call the plane as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or XY plane. Cartesian plane, coordinate plane or xy plane. Okay, and the axis, this axis is known as coordinate axis. Okay, we can write the points in coordinates like x, y. X coordinate is known as abscissa, and the y coordinate. X coordinate is known as abscissa and y coordinate is known as ordinate, and the plane is known as Cartesian plane or coordinate plane or xy plane. Okay, understood. Now we are going to the exercise. Here our question is, plot the points xy given in the following table on the plane, choosing suitable units of distance on the axis. Here our question: -2, 8, -1, 0, 0, -1.25, 1.25, 1, 3, and 3, -1. See children, first before that, moving on to solution, first we draw the coordinate plane. Here the coordinate plane, that is the horizontal line represent x-axis and the vertical line represent y-axis. Okay, that is here x dash and y dash have negative numbers, x and y have positive numbers, and this is 0, and we now write the numbers like this. Okay, 1, 2, 5, and here we write the number like this. Okay, our first is -2, 8, that is -2, 8. We need -2, 8. So we starting from 0, we move 2 units to the left. Now we reached the x coordinate, that is -2, and from there we move 8 unit to the positive direction. Now we get the point here. Okay, now mark as -2, 8. Okay, now the next is we need -1, 7. So starting from 0, move 1 unit to the negative direction. Now we reach -1 and move 7 unit to the positive direction. We get the point here. Just mark the point only. Okay, so and then we write -1, 7 there. Okay, then we need 0, -1.25. That is here 0, and -1.25 is lying between -1 and -2. In between, the middle is -1.5. -1.25 is lying between -1 and -1.5. Okay, so this is our point, and you just mark as 0, -1.25. Okay, now the fourth point is 1 and 3. 1 and 3. These are positive numbers, so we get the number as here and write as 1, 3. Then the last is 3, that is 0, and move 3. We get x coordinate as 3, and now we need -1. So here -1. Then mark the point and write as 3, -1. Okay, understood? Next question is, in which quadrant or on which axis do each of the points, these points, lie? Verify your answer by locating them in the Cartesian plane. Okay, first we have to find in which quadrant these points lie. Here the question -2, 4. See children, -2, minus and a plus. Minus and plus number is in which quadrant? That is, it is in second quadrant. Here, see children, here that is negative number, that is -2 and 4. It is lying in which quadrant? That is, this is second quadrant. So our answer is second quadrant. Okay, now this 3 -1. 3 -1 is in fourth, that is plus, and the y coordinate is minus. So it is in fourth quadrant. And here minus 1 0, that is minus 1 0, minus 1 0 is 0 in 0, so minus 1, so it is in x dash axis. Okay, then 1 2, all are positive numbers, so it is in first quadrant. Here minus 3 minus 5, that both are negative numbers, so this is in third quadrant. So now we find out in which quadrant they lie. Now you have to draw the graph and plot these points on the number line. So you have to do this problem self. So you have to do this homework. Okay, understood. So you have to, children, you have to study these portions very well, and each problem you have to draw only in graph paper, then only you can study. It's a basic only. So you have to study, you have to draw in a graph paper. Okay, and send it to me personally. Study well. Thank you.